Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the EASYERA Nugget ice maker. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $119, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need ice without breaking the bank. In contrast, the EASYERA Nugget ice maker is priced at $299, reflecting its premium features and higher ice production capacity. Depending on your budget, this could be a deciding factor. In terms of ice production, the AGLUCKY ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is decent for home use. However, the EASYERA Nugget ice maker outshines it with a capacity of 33 pounds per day, making it a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. If ice production is a priority, the EASYERA has the edge. Another important factor to consider is the type of ice each machine produces. The AGLUCKY ice maker creates bullet-shaped ice, which is great for drinks but may not be everyone's preference. On the other hand, the EASYERA Nugget ice maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is highly sought after for its texture and cooling properties. If you prefer nugget ice, the EASYERA is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and EASYERA ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an affordable, portable option, the AGLUCKY might be the right choice for you. However, if you want a high-capacity machine that produces delicious nugget ice, the EASYERA is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.